currently 4:30 in the morning and I am getting ready to head to Boston to see my roommate and bestie, Hannah. So it's gonna be a fun couple days. Today's Wednesday, so I'm leaving Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, come back Sunday. Tired. We're gonna do it. It's for you, Hannah. We're doing it for you. But yeah, we're excited and it's gonna be cold, and it's cold in Florida and it's cold everywhere. So we're gonna go explore Boston. At the airport, it's 5 a.m. Starbucks 1. Starbucks 2. Hannah, I'm coming for you. So I'm just waiting to board and then to Boston we go. Also, I will never wake up this early again. Thank you. Okay, we're at the original Dunkin Donuts. Hannah, this is the hello. This is the guest of the week, Hannah Robinson. Get ready for the chaos in Boston. Okay, original D&D. So today, Hannah and I just went around her hometown and we've been cold and we've just been hanging out, and I've been kind of tired from today, but we're gonna go have some margaritas before sleepy time. So we're gonna go to her local Mexican restaurant, you know, where all the drama happens. Okay, we're ending off the night with margaritas and guacamole. We're gonna end the night here, and tomorrow we're going to Newport to explore our future homes. It's gonna be fun. If you are rich and single, you will see some. Hello! We are off on the world to Newport, Rhode Island. My Uber driver over here. We went and got Mary Lou's. Hello. Which, Hannah, would you like to describe Mary Lou's?
Okay, Mary Lou's. Okay, my best friend in high school worked there. I worked there. It's like classic. It's like pink. The girls are bitches, but like that's like the whole vibe.
The vibe.
And the coffee's like super sweet and like sugary, but it's like all like part of the whole experience.
It's the Mary Lou's experience.
We love the Lou.
Hannah's gonna get canceled by Mary Lou.
I'm like running out the dirty tea on Mary Lou.
There's dirty tea. But we're on the way and we're gonna go check out my new mansion. Well, our new mansion. I can't be selfish today. Our new mansion. Oh, Mary Lou's right there. Oh. New mansion. We're gonna walk around, have some chowder, and just enjoy the day because it's a beautiful day and it's how many degrees?
40 degrees.
40 degrees. Oh, warming
like
up.
Practically summer.
So let's go check out our mansion today. You're good.
Hey guys.
It's very cool. This is my new mansion that I am checking out with Hannah on the other side, and we're gonna go do a little house tour. So just come along with me and let's see. And it's also very cool. Thank you. So this is the boyfriend. He's who bought this mansion. We had to put him up there. So we're now to the second floor of our mansion. It's a big mansion. Only bigger and better. We love the mansion. We do. I feel out of place. I feel like I don't belong now. I walked up the stairs and I was out of place. Of all the bedrooms, I think Mrs. Vanderbilt is my bedroom. She's got pink pillows, pink wallpaper. I really do think that this might be my aesthetic room. You could have Gladys' room. Oh wait, there's the closet. We gotta go see the closet. Scratch that. Look at this. Look at this. Gertrude, you slayed the game, Miss Girl. Gertrude, look at her. So sassy. Gertrude is, oh my god. Gertrude just really knew what was up. She was the 4th child. She married Harry. Love that for her. But like, look at that. Look at the fireplace with the bells. She took note. She really served today. So I'm enjoying some classic New England chowder. And what are you having?
My salad.
Oh, and potatoes. She's so healthy.
Y'all.
We're eating. Cheers. Oh, I got a drink. Sorry. I feel like we're always drinking in every video.
This is the drinking holiday.
Oh, she's giving sparkle. She's giving sparkle in every way. So we're just having a bit of a dinner. It's dark at 5 o'clock. It's insane.
We're suffering.
Good morning, Boston. Hey, we're in Boston. We screamed at like 8 people in the car to find parking.
Boston Road Rage came out.
To Boston Road Rage. So we're going to Snowport, giving Snowport. Would you like to explain what Snowport is to the audience?
So Snowport is the new up-and-coming holiday market in Boston, and basically it has a bunch of different vendors, and you just go and you can see everyone.
Buy the vendors.
It has good food, has alcohol.
food,
We're
yeah.
excited about the alcohol. It's gonna be great.
Beer. Yes. We're gonna cross the street now. And we're gonna go shopping. So we will take you along with. So we got some pizza, pepperoni, a little bit of cheese, and we walked around. She bought some stuff, and that's really all we bought. So we're going to eat and go to Newbury Street to buy some more things. Bye! We're back. We're shopping. Hello, shopping. We're gonna go find some things. Everything is over $1 million, but we just paid off the credit card bill, and we're gonna go shopping. Shopping. It smells like weed. Shopping. It's so dark. All the lights came on, but it is 3:45 p.m.
I suffer.
3:45. Like I'm ready to have dinner and have a cocktail and go to bed. Barf. Okay. So I am currently back from shopping, and I bought one thing. Hold on, let me grab it. I've been dying for this sweater. I've been seeing it and I found it, and ta-da! Isn't she so cute? So it's pink and it has little bows on it because I feel like that's like the new trend. So I bought this in Boston. We're gonna go out to eat into a couple of local hidden gem bars. So come along. Hello. So we are having some drinks and we're having an existential crisis.
Okay, I worked at a restaurant for 4 years. Just a lot. Okay, I worked at a restaurant for 4 years. 2 of them are here. Neither of them recognize me. They have no idea. And I don't know why. But it's really awkward because they're coming back from both directions. And I'm like, I know you.
We're being bombarded.
You're not recognizing me. I literally waved and he didn't wave back.
So no wave, and it's just really upsetting.
It's really upsetting.
So this is what we're dealing with right now.
It's a crisis.
I cannot wait. We're going to Daddy's Beach Bar where I'm taking over the Touch Tunes jukebox.
Massachusetts, if you want to go.
The excitement on Friday night is me taking over the Touch Tunes jukebox at Daddy's.
It's gonna be epic.
Bar, and just thrilled. We're at Daddy's Dive Bar.
Yes, we are.
And I played Taylor Swift and the Touch Tunes jukebox.
And it's a favorite and a not favorite.
It's a hit.
It's a hit.
People are, look at her, she's loving it.
People are eating it up.
Loving it, eating it up. So we're here at the Lucky Fit. We had some coffee, and where's Tish? Tish is all the way over there.
Doing about breakfast with us.
Tish Landscape Designs, please.
A surprise appearance.
Surprise appearance.
Just
So,
for us.
what are we doing today? Oh, the Lucky Fin. This is the
gorgeous.
Lucky Fin. What are we doing today?
We might get my belly button pierced.
And go shopping.
I'm feeling like an existential crisis moment.
Going out in Boston. We are at the bars. We are downtown Boston, thank God. And we are at Lansdowne. Where are we? Lansdowne. We're here. By Fenway. We're going to do some bar hopping and some drinking and just enjoying my last night here. Good. So, let's enjoy again. Let's begin. Who wants to be in my vlog?
Who said that?
Say hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
This is the vlog.
Oh, it's a vlog.
Yeah. What do you have
What's
to
up, vlog?
What do you have
She's
to
famous.
say
I love
to
my
the world?
Southern girls, but Boston is way better, and I'm teaching them that right now.
Okay. Thank you for sharing that.
You gotta get Fenway Park.
Words
Get
of
Fenway
wisdom.
Park.
What?
Get Fenway Park.
Yeah. Oh, where's that?
Right, just this is it right here.
This is Fenway, everyone. This is the whole tour of.
I think we should.
Hi, everyone.